A list in Scheme is finite. You build it, it sits in memory, and that's that. A stream is the lazy cousin. It looks and feels like a list, but it only computes a value the moment you ask for one. That one idea lets a stream be infinite. This is SRFI 41, and it comes with Kaappi. We import it here, and everything else is just ordinary Scheme. Here's an infinite one. Stream from 0 gives us every natural number, starting at 0. Defining it runs nothing. The whole infinity just sits there, uncomputed. Then stream take pulls the first 5, and stream to list turns them into an ordinary list we can print. The terminal lives right under the editor. Hand the file to Kaappi, and there they are, 0 through 4. The rest of the infinity is still sitting there, costing nothing, because we never asked for it. Now the classic. We define the Fibonacci stream in terms of itself. It starts 0, 1, and every later term is the stream added to itself, shifted by one place. That definition refers to its own tail, and because streams are lazy, that isn't a paradox, it just works. No loop, no counter, no state, only the recurrence written the way the math states it. Run it again, and there are the Fibonacci numbers. 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 13, 21, 34. Take 20 next time. Take 1,000. The definition never changes, only how far you reach into it. Streams compose exactly like ordinary lists. Stream filter keeps only the even naturals over an infinite stream, and still, nothing happens until we take. And here's the payoff. The Sieve of Eratosthenes, in 6 lines. Keep the first number of a stream, then sieve everything that isn't divisible by it, and do that forever. Point it at the integers from 2, and primes is now an infinite stream of prime numbers. One last run, and the whole file speaks. The naturals, Fibonacci, the evens, and now the primes. 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19. An endless supply, each one computed only when you reach for it. That's the deal streams give you. Infinite structure, but you only ever pay for the elements you actually touch. SRFI 41, lazy lists, right out of the box. The docs and the browser playground are at kaappilang.org. Write the lambda. Run on the metal. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more Kaappi.